Hello everyone, Chris again in Doncaster once again, Adwickley Street. Another burglary in this area on Sunday 17th of January in the 12:15. So as you can see, snap the handle, snap the lock. We've successfully got into the house, unfortunately stolen 2 vehicles, but the good news is they have been recovered by the police within a number of hours. So another example of why it's very important, and this is the half of the lock that's been snapped. So as you can see, this area here, no 3-star diamond accreditation, which means the lock is snapped in half very easy, very quickly, very quietly. Can't stress enough to everybody, as a matter of importance for home security, contact us, get your locks, if you can get your handles as well, get them upgraded. This will not happen to you, it's an absolute guarantee. It's been proven time and time again with the Ultium lock and lock security handle. Please get in touch with us. The main office, 0114 44 262 00. We will sort this out for you.